Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. This is an age related problem from CET 19 paper. The average age of a couple was 24 years. Okay. So let's say a plus b equals to 48. We can write this, right? Because average of, if we assume the age of couple to be a and b, average is 24, then a plus b is 48, 24 into 2. So what we will do is, whatever sentences we read from the question, we will try to convert that into equation and we'll see how it helps. Okay, we don't have to think much on this. After their first and second children were born, the average age of the family became 13.5 years. So let's say after X years, they got twins. Okay. So immediately after they got twins, their age will be 48 plus 2x. Right. So their current age is A plus B. Then after X years, their age will be 48 plus 2x. X years has, or X time has elapsed for both. So we can add 2x to their current age. Right. So this will be their age. But the average age of the family is 13.5. So in the family they have got two more members now. Right. So this is 13.5 into 4. Because there are 4 members now, and 2 new members, their age is 0 at the moment, so this is 54. Now next, the average age of the family after third child was born was 13.2 years. So let's say after Y years, they got third child. So when Y years has elapsed for 4 members, so till now there were 4 members, 2 twins and 2 couples. So 54 plus Y years has elapsed for 4 person. So 4Y, and newly born baby, we don't have to count it because the average is calculated just after the third child was born. So this is 13.2 into, now the total member is 5. So in the average we have to count the new member because the average is calculated just after the member came. Okay. So we need to include them while multiplying this. But in the average here on the left hand side we don't have to multiply it because they have just born. Okay. So here in this case it will be 66. The average age of the family after fourth child was born was 16 years. Okay, so after let's say Z years, fourth child was born. So here we have total 5 members. So 66 was their previous age, and after Z years has elapsed for 5 members, we have to add 5Z. Okay, then this average is 16 years. So 16 years for 6th member because another child has came now. Okay, so 16 into 6. 96 years, and the current average age of the family is 19 years. So now after some more time, we are running out of variables, let's say alpha time, for 6 members, the current average age of the entire family is 19 years. So for 6th member, can we say after alpha time has elapsed, 96 plus 6 alpha is 114, right? Because we have 19 into 6. So what is the current age of the twin children? So twin children were born here. So the current age of twins will be Y plus Z plus alpha. So we can easily get from these equations. So if we see here, alpha will be 114 minus 96. Okay, 18 by 6, 3. Z will be, from here we can get Z equals to 96 minus 66, 30 by 5. So it's 6. and if you see y from here, we'll get 66 minus 54, 12 by 4. So y will be 3. So current age of twins will be 3 plus 6 plus 3 equals to 12, which is the answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.